Alrighty. We are going to be reviewing everything we've talked about in our statistics unit. So for numbers 1 through 4, we are asked to find 3 things for each data set. We're asked to find the mode, the median, and the mean. Okay, so let's go ahead and define what each of these mean before we go and find them. Okay, so first is the mode. Okay, so the mode is the data with the most occurrences. Okay, so basically the number or the piece of data that shows up the most. Okay, the median, that is going to be the data right in the middle. Okay, and then our mean, that one's probably the easiest to remember. That is the average of all of the data points. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and look at number 1. So it's giving us data for the 2012 Summer Olympics for each country and number of medals that they won. So we're trying to find the mode, the median, and mean for this piece of data. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I like to number these guys in numerical order. That's going to help us find our median as well as our mode, and then also our mean. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to find my lowest number and start from there. Lowest number looks like 4. Okay, so I have 1 4, 1 5. Okay, looks like 8 7, and then that 8. Okay, I have 2 9s. 1 2. Okay, and 11. Anything smaller than 11? Nope. 11, 13, 12. Okay, so 12. And then 13. Okay, next we'd have 20, 17, and 18. Okay, so 17, 18. Okay, then we have 2 20s, 20 and 20. Okay, I have a 65, 81, 44, 35. 35 would come next. 35, 44, 65, and 81. Okay, so now that I have these listed in numerical order, I can go ahead and find all 3 of these guys. Okay, so we're looking for the mode, the median, and our mean. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our mode. Our mode is the number that shows up the most. So it looks like I have 2 9s and then 2 20s. Okay, so we actually have 2 modes here. We have 9 and 20. Okay, then our median, it's that data point in the very middle. Okay, so I'm just going to start crossing these off. So 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8. So it looks like our data point right in the middle is 13. Okay, and then our mean is all of these guys added up divided by the number of data points that there were. Okay, so I'm going to add all of these numbers up and divide it by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, so when I add all of these guys up, so let's go ahead and type this in. 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 plus 18 plus 20 plus 20 plus 35 plus 44 plus 65 plus 81. Okay, so I get 378. Okay, so 378. And then I'm going to divide that number by, again, how many we have, which was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 378 divided by 17 is going to give me a mean of 22 point, and we'll just round it to the 10th place, 22.2. So that was our average. And there we go. We have our mode, the numbers that showed up the most, the median right in the middle, and our mean, our average. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at number 2. So again, we have some men's heights in inches. I'm going to go ahead and list these in numerical order. Okay, so let's see, 65, anything less than 65? Nope, but I have 2 of them. 65, 65. Okay, 67, then I have a 66, 66, one of those guys. Oh, no, I had a 61. Okay, there we go. Glad I caught that. Okay, after my 66, I have 2 67s, 67, 67. Looks like I have 1, 2, 3 68s, 68, 68, 68. Okay, then it looks like I have 2 70s, 70, 70, 171, 172, 2 74s. Oh my goodness, I forgot a 68. That's okay, we'll just put it right there. Okay, where was I? 2 74s and 175. Okay, so it's listed in numerical order. Let's go ahead and find our 3 pieces of information that we are looking for. Mode, median, and our mean. Okay, so to find our mode, just going to find whichever number shows up the most. Okay, so 2 65s, 2 67s, 1, 2, 3, 4 68s. Okay, so definitely our mode is 68. That one shows up the most. Okay, our median, let's find the number in the middle. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And our median is 68 as well. Okay, then our mean, we're going to add all of these numbers up and divide it by however many we have. So I'll go ahead and add these guys up. Let me zoom out so you can see my calculator. Okay, so I have 61 plus 65 plus 65 plus 66 plus 67 plus 67 plus 68 plus 68 plus 68 plus 68, 4 of those, plus 70 plus 70 plus 71 plus 72 plus 74 plus 74 plus 75. Okay, so we get a total of 1,169. 1,169, and we're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 1,169 divided by 17 is going to give me a mean or an average of 68.8 because that 6 bumps that 7 up to an 8. So 68.8. And there we go. Beautiful. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and skip number 3. Okay, let's just do number 4. Okay, so now we have games per World Series. Okay, so this one's kind of nice. It's a dot plot. So I'm going to go ahead and list these guys in numerical order. Okay, so I have 3 4s, 1, 2, 3, 2 5s, 1, 2, 3 6s, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, listed in numerical order, which is going to help us find our mode, our median, and our mean for this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and find our mode. I'll zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so the number that shows up the most is, this one's really easy to see, 7. Okay, this one has the most occurrences. Okay, and then our median, let's work our way to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, and you see that we have 2 that are left. Okay, so in order to find our median, we're going to have to add these guys together, 6 plus 7, and then divide it by 2. Okay, that's going to help us find our median. So we have 6 plus 7 equals, divided by 2. So we have a median of 6.5. Okay, now we find our mean. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out again so you can see my calculator. I'm going to add all of these guys up. Sorry, that was a little shaky. Add all of these guys up and divide it by how many I have. So I have 3 4s, 1, 2, 3, 2 5s, 1, 2, 3 6s, 1, 2, 3, and 8 7s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I get a total of 96. 96 divided by how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 96 divided by 16 gives me a mean of 6. And there we go. Okay, so we know how to find our mode, our median, and our mean. Okay, now for numbers 5 through 7, so we have 3 more examples, we are asked to find the lower quartile, okay, also called Q1, the upper quartile, called Q3, and the interquartile range, also called IQR. Okay, so same thing with this data set. I want to list this in numerical order because the lower quartiles and the upper quartiles, as well as the IQR, we have to find first the median and then the medians within the medians, okay? So let's go ahead and number these in numerical order. Lowest is 8, lowest 5.5. Okay, so we have 5.5. Okay, next would be, looks like 6.5. Okay, then I have 7. Then I have 2 7.5s. 7.5, 7.5. Okay, 2 8s. 1, 2. Oh, actually 3 8s. 3. Okay, 2 8.5s. 1, 2. Then I have 1 2 3 9s. 1 2 3. 1 9.5. 1 10. And 1 10.5. Okay, so in order to find our lower quartile and upper quartile, first we have to find the median for this entire data set. Okay, so let's go ahead and work our way to the middle. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7, and we have 2 left. Okay, so basically this is our second half. This is our first half. Okay, we're going to include those guys in there. Okay, so now to find the lower quartile, we find the median of our first half. So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and it's both 7.5. So we have 7.5 for our lower quartile, which we also call as Q1. Okay, so we have Q1, 7.5, and then we need Q3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4. They're both 9, so our Q3 is 9. Okay, so we found our lower and upper quartile. Now we just need to find our IQR. Remember, the IQR is always Q3 minus Q1. So in this case, our IQR is 9 minus 7.5, which is going to give me 1.5. Beautiful. And there we go. Okay, let's look at our next example. All right, looks like we have Nobel, I don't even know how to pronounce that word, whatever. I'm guessing Nobel winners. Okay, so this is what we're looking at, our ages. So I'm going to want to list these again in numerical order. Okay, so I got 44 is the lowest here, 43. Okay, so it looks like we have 143. We have two 44s. Okay, then we have 46. Whoops, and I totally forgot to write my second 44, so that'll be 44. And then 46. Okay, then it looks like we have a 48. Okay, then we have, next one would be 58. 59. 60. 61. 64. 69. We have 71. 75, 76, and 85. Okay, listed in numerical order. Let's go ahead and find our median. Okay, so to find our median, just work our way to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops, let me recount that. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So it looks like our median is 60. So you have our first set right there, second set right there. Okay, now we need to find our lower and upper quartiles. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, so our Q1 is 46. Our Q3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Is 71. Okay, and then our IQR is going to be Q3, 71, minus Q1, 46. So 71 minus 46 gives me 25. And there we go. Okay, last example, we have a dot plot showing hours slept. Okay, so let's go ahead and just turn this into a list in numerical order. So I have 3 6s, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 9. Okay, first find our median for the whole thing. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7. Okay, so there's our median. And those are our two other data sets that we need to find the quartiles for. Okay, so our Q1 is going to be 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4. Whoa, did I do that wrong? Yes, I did. Yep, it's that guy right there. Okay, so we have Q1 equals 7. And then our Q3, our upper quartile, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is 8. Okay, IQR, take your upper quartile, 8, subtract your lower quartile, 7, so we get an IQR of 1. And there we go. Okay, those are your notes. There is an assignment that goes with it.